Pinkfong. Bebe? Fin? Bebe Fin. Bebe Fin. Bebe Fin. I'm going outside. Wait, take me with you. March of the mask, mask, march of the mask, mask. When you go outside, remember your mask. When you are going out, don't forget your mask. Mask. When you are meeting friends, don't forget your mask. Mask. March of the mask, mask, march of the mask, mask. When you go outside, remember your mask. When you go outside to play with your friends, don't forget your mask. Keep everyone safe. Tickly, tickly, tickly dust. Icky, icky germs. Bye, bye, bye. Rest. Keep yourself safe. March of the mask, mask, march of the mask, mask. When you go outside, remember your mask. When you are going out, don't forget your mask. Mask. When you are meeting friends, don't forget your mask. Mask. March of the mask, mask, march of the mask, mask. When you go outside, remember your mask. When you go outside to take a walk, don't forget your mask. Keep everyone safe. Loopy, loop behind the ears, make sure it's on snug. Yeah! Pinch the nose so there are no gaps, make it tight, tight. Don't touch the outside of your mask. March of the mask, mask, march of the mask, mask. When you go outside, remember your mask. When you are going out, don't forget your mask. Mask. When you are meeting friends, don't forget your mask. Mask. March of the mask, mask, march of the mask, mask. When you go outside, remember your mask.
Remember to cover up your nose, mouth, and chin. Don't forget your mask. Keep everyone safe.
Good job.
As soon as you get home, hang up your mask. Then wash your hands with bubbles, squeaky, squeaky clean.
Let's review one more time. 1. Over your ears, loop-de-doo. 2. Cover your nose, mouth, and chin. 3. After you take your mask off, wash your hands. March of the mask, mask, march of the mask, mask. When you go outside, remember your mask. Hey guys! Did you like our video? Don't forget to click subscribe! Subscribe!
Search for Pinkfong on YouTube.